So guys, you will need a piece of 10 by 7 cardstock, and for the four sides you're gonna measure 1-inch margin on all the sides. As you all can see right here, I'm pointing where you're gonna add 1-inch margin on both sides of the cardstock. So guys, after you're done with the 1-inch margins, you're gonna score it 1 inch down from the 1-inch margin, and then 2 inches down from the 1-inch margin that you mark. As you can see right here that I'm showing you guys, that's a 2 inches, and then you're gonna score 7.5 inches and 5 inches across. So later into this video I will show you guys the process again, like the score lines and all of that. So right here I'm showing you the process again. So 1 inch is 2 inches, 5 inches, 7.5 inches, and 5 inches across. So right here I'm just going to turn the paper on the 7-inch side and cut my paper down from the 1-inch margin to the next 1-inch margin. So this total inch is 5 inches, and I'm going to do the same for the other side. As you all can see right here, remember, don't go over the margins, just cut from the 1-inch margin. I made a mistake with mine, go a little bit too far, but I will fix it later. So after that you're going to burnish and fold. So all I'm doing right here is to crease the lines that I made. As you all can see, I will place a link in the description with some information for you guys, so check the description box for more details. So I was on YouTube watching some videos and I saw this video popped up in my notification, and it was a birthday card and one of my family member friends' birthday coming up, so I was like, why not make a birthday card for her? And I just saved the video and came back to it later on, and yeah, this is how the card game goes. I was thinking about what kind of style I was going to do, because I know she's a really picky person, so I was like, I want something special for her, not nothing that I have done before, try something new. So I was like, maybe this video is one of those videos. And yeah, it is a birthday card video, but this type of card can be also for Mother's Day, so that's why the title of the video titled Mother's Day Card. Really posting Mother's Day card now, not really posting birthday cards. So yeah, I have a set schedule where I post birthday card for a month or two, Mother's Day card for a month or two. Yeah, so I set up my videos like that. So this white cardstock right here is 4 1/4 by 6 1/4, and you're going to measure 1/4 of an inch and cut. And this designer paper right here, it is 4 1/2 by 6 1/2 inches, and you're gonna measure 1/2 inch on both sides, and you're gonna cut it just like this to put on the side panel of the card. And right here I got 3 1/4 by 4 1/4, and the green piece you just measure it. I'm just gonna put those measurements on the screen and also in the description box where you guys to follow, because I'm editing this video, doing a voiceover, so I'm not quite remembering all the measurements at the moment. So I will check on the information and I will just place them on the screen for you guys and also in the description box. And yeah, I put those together, and as you all can see, this is what it looks like after putting those on the card. So this is how it looks. I'm just letting it stand up right here just to make sure that everything is in place. So I have an embossed piece. I don't think I should have embossed it because it really I don't know what you guys think, tell me, but I don't think I should have embossed it. And this is a stencil, letter V. The person name starts with a V, so I think I should have add a personalized touch to it. So, and here I'm going to add my inks. So I'm done adding my inks, and I feel the need to add some more touch to it, some black outline, which my marker wasn't working, so I have to use a pen. And this is what it turned out to be after I'm done adding the V. I think I did really need that black ink marker because the pen is not really showing properly. And then later on I added my happy birthday and all the other things on off camera because my battery was dying. And I also added a bookmark to it as well, as you can see right here. And I am done.